Social systems like endorsements and matchmaking are a key piece of Blizzard's online shooter Overwatch, and at next year's Game Developers Conference their team will show you exactly how they were built. Blizzard's Natasha will be at the show in March to deliver an intriguing design track talk, social systems design, implementation, and impact thing. Overwatch, all about the game's social system design pillars, and the impact these systems had on the Overwatch community. It is a promising talk for anyone interested in systems design and coding disruptive player behavior, as you will learn how and why Blizzard implemented endorsements and looking for group systems. You will walk away with concrete examples from Overwatch, as well as some practical lessons learned when designing similar social systems or looking for ways to mitigate disruptive behaviors in their games. For more details on this talk and many more, check out the GDC 2019 session schedule. There you can begin to lay out your GDC week, which takes place March 18th through the 22nd at the newly renovated Moscone Center in San Francisco. Bring your team to GDC, register a group of 10 or more, and save 10% on conference passes. Learn more here. For more details on GDC 2019, visit the show's official website or subscribe to regular updates via Facebook, Twitter, or RSS. Gamasutra and GDC are sibling organizations and parent company information.